Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be doing like a vlog. I have some clothes that I will be taking into Plato's closet, which is where I'm at now. I am in the middle of a move and I'm only able to pack one suitcase. So I have a lot of clothes that I need to go through. After living somewhere for a year, you could say, you don't realize how many clothes you end up buying over that year until it's time to move on somewhere else, or you have to move somewhere that has a completely different temperature climate. So I'm gonna go into Plato's and then I'm gonna come back and I'll walk you through the rest of the day. Okay, so I dropped my clothes off. They said there's about 5 people in front of me. It'll take 45 minutes to an hour. So I'm going to go to this little spot and I'm gonna eat some lunch. And after that, come back, pick up the clothes, and then not sure what I'll do from there yet. Okay, stay tuned. Alright, so right now we are on Bayshore. There's this entire walkway that you can follow. Today's lunch, we have some kimbap and kimchi. This is one of my favorite Korean dishes. And I actually got bulgogi kimbap. From Tampa, Florida. It is currently 75 degrees outside in January. Make sure you stay hydrated. It's still warm outside. Woo. My titties are already starting to sweat. Alright, finished with the Korean food for lunch, and now we're just gonna go for a walk. as I suspected, my clothes are ready to be picked up. So I'm gonna go pick those up, and then I think I'm gonna come back downtown and find a place to put up my hammock and just kind of chill out, read my book, write in my journal, and stick around for sunset. Okay, we're taking a little detour. We are on North Florida Ave in Royal Street. Take you to see the Tampa sign. Alright, currently I'm by Armature Works. And then that's downtown. If you want to see a more detailed video of what Armature Works looks like inside, you can click the link here. But I'm here on the Riverwalk, maybe to find a spot for my hammock, or there are these bench swings I can sit on. I might sit on those and read my book there. So we'll see. It looks like there's some kind of outside market that they're having. Let's check it out. Looks like it's Heights Night Market. Some dog wellness items, clothing. Gonna settle for a bench. I got a strawberry lime popsicle from Whatever Pops. It's really good. The first one I tried was strawberry mango. So delicious. Right behind me is the Tampa Museum of Art. And I'm just right along the Riverwalk. I was potentially looking for a place to hang my hammock, but I went with the bench instead. Well, I was hoping that there was going to be some kind of sunset tonight, but there really isn't. It's, you know, just cloudy. The sun was over here, and now it disappeared. The sunset's at 6, but I don't think we're going to be able to see it. Well, thank you for coming along with me for today's vlog. I hope you had some fun. If you liked anything in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.